we will see what do you mean by acceleration due to gravity. We will study acceleration due to gravity. Now, let this be the Earth's surface. Okay, this is your Earth's surface, and let this be a body which is coming down. Okay, this is a body which we have released from a height, and it is slowly and slowly coming down towards the Earth's surface. You know why this body A is going to come to the Earth's surface? Because Earth's gravitational force is going to attract it. Now slowly and slowly, as the body is coming down, it is coming nearer and nearer to the Earth's surface. So the Earth's gravitational force is going to increase. So its speed is going to increase. So as it comes down, the speed, or we will say rather the velocity, increases. Okay, the velocity increases. Now because there is a change in velocity, there is acceleration also. This acceleration is known as acceleration due to gravity, and it is denoted as small g. Understood? When a body is released from the top, the body comes down to the Earth's surface because Earth is attracting it because of its gravitational force. Now as the body comes more nearer and nearer to the Earth, Earth's gravitational force becomes stronger, and that is why the speed of the body goes on increasing. Now the speed is increasing, or we will say the velocity is changing. That is why it is going to have acceleration. And this acceleration is known as acceleration due to gravity, and it is denoted as small g. Now when the body is coming down, then we say that g is positive. Why? Because Earth is also calling it down. It is traveling in the same direction, that is down. So it is negative. So all the falling bodies will have g positive. But suppose you are throwing a body up, then your g will be negative. Why? Because Earth wants to pull it down, but you are sending it up against the gravity. So whenever anything goes up, g is going to be negative, and when the body is coming down, g is going to be positive. So clear what is acceleration due to gravity? When a body gets acceleration because it is falling down to the Earth's surface because of the Earth's gravity, it is known as acceleration due to gravity. And if the body is traveling up, then g is taken as negative, and if the body is coming down, g is taken as positive. Clear? This is acceleration due to gravity. Now this acceleration due to gravity changes. Now this is the surface of the Earth. This is the Earth. So here the gravity will be different. Here you will find the gravity different. Here you will find the gravity different. Here you will find different. Here you will find different. Okay? The gravity is little bit different at all the places. So what we do? We take one average value, that is 9.8 meter per second square. This is your average value of g. Wherever you are, we are going to take this 9.8 meter per second square. Okay. Now this g does not depend on the mass. Suppose there are two bodies. इसका mass है m1 kg. Another body mass is m2 kg, and this is the Earth's surface. This is the Earth's surface. And we are dropping both of them. Both of them are coming down. Okay. Now the Earth is going to attract both of them with the same force. So g इसका भी वही रहेगा, g इसका भी वही रहेगा. Let this be 10 kg. Let this be only 2 kg. Still, both will be attracted by the Earth by the same force. That is the Earth's gravitational force. That is, they will have an acceleration g. So the Earth attracts the body equally irrespective of their masses and weight. So the value of G will be same for M1 and same for M2. Okay. Now what does this mean? This means that if you, now this is the earth surface, and if I take two bodies, one I say I take a body having 5 kg, it is a stone, okay, and second body I take a very light feather, okay, and if I am going to drop both of them down, both should actually reach at the same time. Okay, the stone, this is a stone, this is a feather. Stone and the feather both should reach the ground at the same time. But actually देखो, अगर तुम टेरेस पे जाके एक स्टोन और एक फेदर को फेंको, are they going to reach at the same time? No. Why? Because of air. Air also offers resistance. हवा के वजह से फेदर जो है वो like this, it will have a random motion, ऐसे 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 होते होते वो नीचे आएगा. So it will take time and stone will come down fast. But if you do the same experiment in vacuum, then stone as well as feather both will reach at the same time. Okay, because their air is not there to stop the feather. Here the air is stopping the stone also and the feather also, but stone is heavy. Stone fights it and comes down fast. Feather is not able to fight the air, and that is why it is getting displaced, and in a random motion it comes down to the earth. Okay. Now this resistance what the air gives, that is known as the air friction, or it is also known as the buoyancy of the air. You read the textbook, these terms are given. That's all with this unit of the chapter.